Elgato sent me their new Facecam 4K and we're gonna unpack it and test it out. Thank you so much, Elgato, for giving me this. Okay, not like last time. There's just a ripping open strip, so I'm just gonna rip it open. Cool. Cool beans. Here we go. Now we can just fold this open. And there's no plastic in it. I love that. First of all, a cable. And this one says 3.5 5 gigabits per second. And it's a USB-C to USB-C cable. So this is for your webcam to the computer. They do have USB-C, so it goes into your USB-C port. You do have a little important safety instructions. A mount to mount on top of your monitor. And here, wrapped in paper with a little Elgato sticker on top of it. It feels like a present. It feels like my birthday. Ooh. And this is the webcam itself. It has a standard thread underneath it, and you can actually get the monitor mount underneath, but you can also get a normal tripod underneath if you want to. It does have a 49mm lens, which means that you can equip any 49mm filters on top of this lens. Magnetic 49mm filters will just fit on here. You can use that with this webcam. Sadly, I don't have any 49mm lens filters, so I cannot show you this, but they will work on this webcam. The webcam itself is 21mm wide, the focal length. It films in 2160 pixels in 60 FPS. This is how it looks from the front, side view and back view, and the other side. Not that it looks different, but just to be complete, you know. And the box is empty. So if you do not have a USB-C port, you do need an adapter for this one. Otherwise, I would recommend just putting it in your USB-C port. So I'm now behind the PC and I've added my webcam to my computer. Here's the Elgato Facecam 4K. Here's the Elgato Facecam Neo next to each other. You can see the difference in how big they are. Where am I? And this is how it looks like in the Elgato hub just when I hook it up. As you can see, I'm a little bit too light. Don't mind my notes, because this camera angle is so wide, you can see my blue pins notes. But we can, if we want to, we can make it like less wide. We can zoom in like really closely. Hello. But I like a wide camera angle. So that's nice. We can set the contrast if you want to. See, make it a little bit dark. The saturation. I like coloring. The sharpness. Let's do this all on feeling. The exposure. Well, ISO of like. Let's see if we can get the ISO to be like quite low. Let's keep it like 300. Let's see if we can do that. Because we can get like the ISO high at like 1000. Something like this. But the higher we put the ISO, the more we overlay. I also haven't put on lights. Maybe I should put on lights. Let's try and see if I can get the ISO to go down. This looks a lot better already. The white balance, we're doing that ourselves. Something like this. I think this looks good. I look good like this. I think so, yeah. We look pretty good. And then we're gonna save this. Here we go, saved. And it saves it actually on the webcam itself. So this is how the Facecam 4K looks like after I fiddled with it and after I put like 2 lights on. So I do recommend putting on a main light and a side light. So I have a main light right here and I've got a side light. If I put my lights off right now, I can do that for you. It will look pretty bad. But one main light, that's the side light, with one main light looks a lot better already, but I do recommend 2 lights for it because that does look a lot better. Cameras do look better if you use good lighting. That is something that you need to keep in mind. If you have good lighting, it looks a lot better. If I'm gonna switch to the camera Neo now, you have to wait a second. The preview is occupied. What is using the preview? Oh, my OBS is using the preview. Okay, I restarted OBS real quick, so it wasn't using the preview before this program. But this is the Neo now, with exactly the same settings. I didn't change anything. However, like everything is off, so we can auto lock the focus. So I'm gonna set the focus and the contrast, like it a little bit contrasty. Saturation, let's see. Something like this, sharpness, something like this. I'm just setting everything real quick. 120. I like the ISO to be low as possible. I mean, yeah, as low as possible. Temperature. Tint. And just what I do is I just move it, and then after that I look at the screen and just see what looks natural to me. Here we go. So this is how the Neo looks like. The price category for the Neo is a lot less. So just as a comparison, this is the Neo. The Neo comes in on 70 euros, which is the cheap option that Elgato is offering. The cheap option will look like this. And the 4K one would look like this. And this one comes in on 200 euros. And if you ask me, I see a huge difference. This is the Facecam 4K. If we just naturally put it in OBS, this is how it looks like. I think it looks really, really crisp. I leave the judge up to you. I don't want to decide anything for you. I just wanted to show you how it looks like. There's a stupid fly going around my face. Like a little fruit fly. But like, I just don't want to decide anything for you. That's not what this channel is about. My channel is about showing you things and then you decide yourself if you like it or not. I do not want to make decisions for you. But if you like this camera or you like the other one better, I don't care if you like the other one better. Like if your price category is for 70 bucks, it is fine by me. If you decide to go on a completely different camera, it's also fine for me. But if you do like the Elgato cameras, I do have a code which is actually giving you 5% discount, which is ZZ-Trui. I'll leave it down below in the description with an affiliate link. If you use my affiliate link, make sure to accept the cookies because otherwise the affiliate link won't work. So I appreciate it if you do. Also, just using the code won't work as the affiliate link. So use the affiliate link, click on the cookies, and then it will work as an affiliate link. So I really appreciate it if you do that. If you don't decide to buy it and you buy something else, like I said, it's also fine. I'm not here to tell you what to buy. I'm just here to show you what you could buy and what is out there. And I just help you make a decision. Again, thank you so much, Elgato, for sending me this camera. I did not get paid to make this video. They just sent me this camera, which, I mean, to be honest, is already a huge thing for me. I'm just really glad that I got this camera. It is awesome, so I'm just glad that I got it. And if you want to see some more videos about streaming gear, I do have a playlist up here. Check it out. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see some more things about Twitch streaming. And I hope to see you in my next video.